Good evening. Welcome to Bella Vista.
Hi. A table for two, please.
Certainly. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't.
No problem. Let me check. We have a table available now, or if you'd like a window table, it'll be about a 10-minute wait. What do you think?
I'd rather sit by the window.
Me too.
We can wait.
Perfect. It shouldn't be too long. Please have a seat.
Have you decided what you're getting? Not yet. Everything looks good.
Thank you for waiting. Right this way.
Here we are.
Here are your menu. Your server will be with you shortly.
Good evening. Would you like something to drink while you look over the menu?
I'll have an iced tea. Just water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Tap water is fine, thank you.
Of course. I'll be right back with your drinks. Here you go. Have you had a chance to look at the menu?
Yes, I have.
What can I get for you?
I'll have the grilled salmon.
And what would you like for your side? It comes with either fries or a house salad.
I'll go with the salad, please.
Excellent. And for you?
I'd like the seafood pasta. Is it spicy?
Not at all. It has garlic, olive oil, and a little chili, but it's very mild.
That sounds perfect. I'll have that.
Wonderful. I'll put that order in for you. Here we are. Who had the seafood pasta?
I did. This looks so good. It really does.
And the grilled salmon. Enjoy your meal.
This is really good. Mine is too. I'm glad we came here.
I'm getting pretty full already.
Same here.
How is everything?
Everything's great, thank you.
I'm really enjoying the salmon.
I'm so glad to hear that.
By the way, could you tell me where the restroom is?
Of course. It's just around the corner on your left.
Thanks.
Can I interest you in dessert today?
I'm tempted, but we're too full.
No problem.
Could we get the check, please?
Certainly. I'll be right back with your check. Here you are.
Thanks.
Whenever you're ready.
By card, please.
Thank you.
Did I miss anything? I already took care of the bill.
Thanks. I'll get the next one.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Everything was wonderful.
We're happy to hear that. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. You too?
Don't worry if it feels a little fast at first. Listen to it several times and you'll gradually get used to the speed. See you in the next lesson.